Bullish Sun token cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 2 cents and 5 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept Sun could reach 2 cents by 2025. Bearish Sun token market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Sun token presentation. You can find out about the Sun cost expectation and its normal ascent from specialized investigation to principal cost history with the assistance of this instructional exercise. At the determination of this assessment, a reasonable image of what's in store as far as how excessive costs will go will become clear. You will likewise find out about Sun's future. A digital currency is before long going to acquire ubiquity as a significant resource and will be checking out at the Sun token value expectation. The digital currency industry is going to enter the standard, and each task is creating extraordinary techniques to flourish and administer the market. Is Sun a wise venture? Is one of the ordinarily asked issues that we will endeavor to address. What Sun will be esteemed in 5 to a decade. Anticipating future valuing and assessing value varieties are extremely challenging undertakings. We'll be taking a gander at the typical cost, least cost esteem, greatest cost, Sun cost gauge, most extreme worth, long-haul cost expectation, most extreme inventory, and the market cap in light of our own examination. What is Sun token? The cryptographic money of the sun.io decentralized finance network that has been redenominated is called Sun token. Sun.io settled on the choice in May 2021 to extend the quantity of Sun tokens accessible from 19.9 million to 19.9 billion, moving Sun at a 1:10 proportion to holders of the first Sun. The market capitalization didn't change. A stablecoin-centered decentralized trade named SunSwap, along with related liquidity pools and cultivating choices for proprietors of Sun tokens, make up sun.io's DEFI stage. DEFI Llama guarantees that starting around the 8th of June 2022, sun.io has $820.20 in all-out esteem frozen. Bold 2 Pool LP, an exchanging pair between Sun token and Tron's USDD stablecoin, is the greatest liquidity pool on the organization, holding more than $437 million. The biggest decentralized application on the Tron network as far as exchange volume is SunSwap. SunSwap is the second biggest Tron-based DApp behind just Lend concerning the equilibrium of claimed resources. SunSwap has the most dynamic clients of any Tron-based DApp, with 75,710 interesting month-to-month wallet addresses, significantly above Travel Trade's 12,510 dynamic clients and just Lend's 6,400 dynamic clients. Clients get VESUN administration tokens in return for securing Sun coins. These give holders the choice to conclude how every liquidity pool is weighted. Every liquidity pool's portion of remunerations, which are gotten from half of all exchange costs on the Sun.io DEFI stage, is weighted. Longer lockup periods bring about additional prizes in casting a ballot power. They range from a half year to 4 years. Tron, USDD, Sun token, TRX, and TAI USD, Sun token are 3 other huge liquidity pools. The joint Sun trade rating for the chose time span Sun might be seen progressively utilizing TradingView's Finnish specialized examination instrument, notwithstanding the way that it is challenging to give 100% precise specialized investigation to the Sun coin. The SUN-USD report's specialized investigation is based on the underpinning of moving midpoints, oscillators, and turns. Sun current cost. Sun token is right now worth $0. Sun has moved 2.43% as of now with an exchanging volume of $7,138,155. Sun token is right now positioned 330 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $46,936,370 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling difference from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Sun token to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Sun token value forecast 2023. In 2023, Sun token Sun cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Sun will before long outperform 1 cent. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the Sun's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Sun will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 1 cent and a typical exchanging cost of 1 cent. Sun token value forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 1 cent and Sun might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Sun is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 1 cent and a low of 1 cent in 2024. Sun token value forecast 2025. Assuming that Sun token effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money fans, the Sun coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Sun will be green in 2025. The Sun is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 2 cents, with a base cost of 2 cents and a typical cost of 2 cents. Sun token value forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Sun cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 2 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 2 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Sun has a greatest value worth of 2 cents. Sun token value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 3 cents. On the off chance that Sun figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 3 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help Sun needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 3 cents. Sun token value forecast 2028. While Sun is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 3 cents and a yearly cost close above 3 cents in 2028. Sun token value forecast 2029. By 2029, Sun token will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 4 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 4 cents. Averaging out at 4 cents. Sun token value expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Sun cost in 2030 is projected to be 5 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 4 cents. And, since its introduction, Sun has totally changed various enterprises. The coin has gotten endorsement from a few controllers, and a gathering of particular engineers is endeavoring to advance it and widen use. This archive fills in a Sun's inside evaluation of its past presentation and possibilities for future development. For the present, that is all there is to it. While trying to help you in any capacity we can, we much of the time add new material to our site. What is the Sun token cost today? Today, Sun token is exchanging at $0 an all-out market capitalization of $46,936,370. Is Sun token a wise venture? Sun token ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is shrewd to say that Sun is a decent decision of speculation. How high can Sun token go? The typical cost of Sun token might conceivably reach $0 a year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that Sun token might outperform 3 cents. What amount will Sun token be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising notoriety of digital money and Sun token, a drawn-out interest in Sun could see the value ascend to 3 cents inside the following 5 years. What amount will Sun token be worth in 10 years? On the off chance that you put resources into Sun token today, similarly as with